6 months before the launch. And Varun and I went to stores in Delhi NCR where we thought that किसी बच्चे के लिए कोई toy खरीदने आएगा, so relevant audience. And we stood outside those stores doing our people ourselves. We asked them what did they understand when they looked at that label, and that label I created sitting in my drawing room, which still sells in the market by the way, the entire baby range, and it continues to hold relevant even today, but we just showed it to consumers and we asked for their feedback. What was heartening to see is that there were a lot of parents who were looking for natural orientation. And these were ingredients like calendula, these were ingredients like coconut, etc. So that awareness existed. What is certified safe, toxin free was a new conversation today, that time, but because it said safe and it said tested Australia, that also sat well with the consumer, saying kuch angle safety ka hai, better than the rest. What did not go at all with them was the toxin free proposition, because they hadn't heard the word toxins before. And we had written, for example, in case of shampoo, we had written the toxins that we need to avoid in shampoo, like sulfates. In lotions, we had written parabens, which is a toxin to be avoided in lotions, in leave-on products. They felt it is something. So they kept asking us, what is free with it? What is free with it? So that is when I understood that, okay, this is a gap. This will need a lot of education, otherwise consumers will not understand how to pick up these products, what to understand. Manual, because hey, how am I supposed to know how to operate this child? It's so little, and I am responsible to give it life, to give it nutrition, to take care of it, to ensure it sleeps better. And that was the only problem. And that's being the first time mother is hard. Right? No matter what everyone around us says, nannies and daddies will say, we'll take care of the child, and as much as they want to, it's the mother eventually who has to take care of the child. And I just felt incapable. I felt like a failure back then. So I mean, I come from a middle class family. All of that pushed me hard to get products from outside of India, because natural also had chemicals, chemicals also had chemicals, nothing was safe, that is what. So, that's why I'm saying that we did have the numbers. I went nearly by my gut feeling, say, do I feel strongly that I should be doing this? Yes, and I just did it. But before we launched, we did multiple